So I'm just going to do a bit of filming. I ain't going to do too much talking. You know what I mean? So there's a bus. I think in Belfast they call them bendy buses, they bend in the middle. That one's electric. Well, it says hyperbus, so maybe it's a bit noisy for electric, so we'll probably wear some both. So there's one closer. Long, isn't it? Got lots of phone shops and lots of hairdressers, lots of fruit shops. So we're not far from the Gare du Nord railway station, which is where you can get the train to Paris. Well, we're in fucking Paris. Sorry, to London, So I would prefer to use the selfie stick, you know, for filming, but I think it's a little bit dodgy because you know, it's easy enough to steal your phone. I mean, there's some dodgy characters around here, but they're probably saying the same about me. So it's 5:10 in the evening. So there's the sign, the Gare du Nord to the right. And so you've got a McDonald's there. Decisions, which way should we go? Decisions. Traffic everywhere, isn't there? So I think that's a bank there, isn't it? Plants are all dead, no water. Nobody cares. So let's have a look at the buildings, otherwise you just see people. People can be interesting, can't they? So I say it's about 5:10 in the evening, so we're on the way to the rush hour. I don't know what time the rush hour starts here, but there always seems to be a rush rush hour. So that's the Garden Hall railway station there. Oh, there it is. I know, that's the Garda. That's another railway station which is very close. Which I did a video, so if you look back at my videos, you'll see that one. So there's the metro. I mean, you can go anywhere in Paris on the metro or by bus. It's €35 for a week's travel. Buy it online, otherwise you'll be ages in the railway station queuing up to buy it. So there's a collection of suitcases. Imagine going on holiday and not bringing a suitcase with a pose. Sometimes the suitcase breaks or something. There's my pet hate there. Wheelie bins. They're everywhere, you know. Maybe now we have so much rubbish. That guy was hiding his face. Said something in French. That's the trouble if you're walking around with a phone or a camera. Some people don't like you filming them. There's more suitcases. Next door, honey, sandwich, coffee bar. $5.90 for the sandwich. It's not bad really, you know. At least I was in Southern Ireland and they're right robbery there, you know. It doesn't compare like in Paris with Paris and cities like Dublin and Cork have their own characters, don't they? So here's a rush hour, that's where you come from. I'm saying it's expensive in Cork as well and in Dublin. If you want somewhere to go which is cheap, go to Romania. I mean, nice cities, and Transylvania is beautiful. Magnificent scenery. Unspoiled. Dracula's castle awaits. So I mean, if you're walking around here like I am, having to keep your wits about you because you could get knocked down by a push bike, a scooter, or if you're unlucky. You see, this is the zebra crossing. Look at this motherfucker here. He's just got no in the middle of the zebra crossing. So that's the zebra crossing where you cross, and he just stopped in the middle of it. And then suddenly you find a bike lane. So there it is, rush hour. We got some shoes there, €25, €15 for your flip flop. So this looks gridlocked, doesn't it? There's a church being renovated. So even the buses, they make a noise like a tram. So everywhere, bikes, buses. You know, this zebra crossing, the cars are in the wrong place. They're supposed to be the other side of the zebra crossing. But it says walk, and you watched what happens when the lights are on green. Lights are on green. So now, as soon as they get a chance, even with the green lights, the cars will start going. So you get me, that's on green, that means you can walk past, either through, straight through, I presume it's a red light, you know? So look, green light, the car passing. I mean, I don't know the rules and regulations here, but what's the point of having the green lights if you just walk? So there they are, shoes €35. Well, training shoes. Nice place to live there, wouldn't it be? So these are bikes you can hire actually. You can sell the green thing on, there must be tourists. Well, not all of them like, but some of them must be tourists. That blue bike there is a tourist bike. Rest must be locals. There's a couple having a fight, or maybe not. So I'm just aimlessly walking, but I'm not far from the garden door. There's another vegetable shop. Training shoes. I hate shops with no prices on, so I mean, what do they do when you go in there? They look at you and think, oh, you'll pay this or you'll pay that. So never go in a shop or a restaurant with no prices on, because especially restaurants, you've eaten the grub and they say that'll be 300 quid, and you say, well, why is it 300 quid? And they say, well, it is, and it wastes the fucking money. The tourist trap, mate. So there are toilets here and they're free. Yeah, free. And so there's a little, so you got all that chaos out there, yeah? All the chaos. And here, well, I was going to say you've got a little park, but oh, it is. It can open, so we go in the park, but it's nice and quiet, isn't it? So you can sit off in the park and study nature. And there's someone actually sleeping. So you've got like pigeons, but slightly. So there's. So I'm going to have a sit down. And you could play chess if you had the pieces there, or dominoes. Seems a lot of people sort of lunched out here, but we'll leave it there. So thanks for watching. Remember to put a like and put a comment. Thank you.